5 years. That's how long my guest has been welcomed with this balloon of a bed. But today, my friend, we are saying goodbye to this and hello to the glow up of the century. So buckle up because you're about to be inspired. Let me just show you a little bit of how it's looking before. I have like this little plant here. I might still use it. I have the nightstands, which I plan on changing maybe. The inflatable bed. Got the mini fridge there. Got a little closet. And then over here is just Javi's kind of office. It doesn't really work much from here. I want to change those curtains. And that's the tour, basically. With that, I'm gonna remove everything from this wall now so we can paint. The plan is to have it be dark, warm, cozy, and so luxurious that my friends just might leave me a 5-star review. And you just might hit the like button. Step 1. We've got to attack those sad white walls with some darker color to make it cozy and a little more intimate. I was kind of wondering if I was gonna paint the baseboard as well, but I feel like it will look just weird if I don't. So I'm gonna prepare using tape and I will include the baseboard. I just taped everything. I put this. This thing has seen better days. I'm gonna use the color Black Mocha from Bear, which is not quite black, but it's a really dark brown. Okay, let's see. I don't know what I was expecting, but this is not it. I think it's because I need a couple more coats. Let's see. Let's trust the process here. So I just did the first coat. Now I gotta tell you, I did expect the coverage to be better. I don't know. It's definitely gonna need another coat because this ain't it. But let's see. The first coat was indeed a disaster, but just like the saying goes, I'm Brazilian and I never give up, and by the second and third coat, we had ourselves a masterpiece, if I say so myself. Now, did you know you can get outlet covers that you can actually paint to match your walls? Well, I didn't know either, but now I do. So I got the cover from Amazon, I painted it with the same paint that I used on the walls, and I replaced the old cover. You'll see that they will eventually be hidden, but I could not live with myself knowing that they were white back there. Step 2. Bye-bye inflatable and hello real bed. Oh my god, it's happening. I'm finally gonna have a real bed in my guest bedroom. We finally got a real bed, which of course I assembled entirely on my own. Okay, fine. Maybe not entirely, but you know what? Moral support is a skill. Okay, in my defense, I did help. Eventually. I am not ready for this to expand. It looks so sad right now.
Nice.
I'm dead. I will leave it there so it can grow with love.
Oh, baby, grow.
Now, what comes after step 2? Exactly, back to step 1 because this room is not giving moody, dark, or cozy. So we were gonna need to paint more walls. So the room finally started to look more moody. The day was going great. I was feeling like a makeover goddess until the universe humbled me real quick. But before I tell you about the chaos, if you're liking this video so far, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any future makeovers. And so you help my channel. And now, back to the floor chaos. Step 3. No makeover is complete without a setback. We plan to replace a few damaged floor planks. Simple, right? Wrong. Turns out this flooring was discontinued and we had to replace the whole thing. Well, Javi had to replace it. We were in between all of those and we decided to go with number 1. It was a lighter color, the planks were larger, and it also didn't pull a lot into the orange like the previous one.
Bom dia!
Bom dia, amiga minha.
Wow. And you know what? This might have started as a setback, but it ended up being a win because this new floor is so much better than the orange one we previously had. Step 4. Designer Lookalike Nightstands. Now that we got the flooring situation taken care of, I can finally show you the nightstands that I found. One thing about me, luxury on a budget is definitely my love language. The designer version of these nightstands were $900 each, but this $160, and they look just as stunning. Budget friendly and high-end looking? Glorious, my friends. Glorious. Step 5. Curtains, mirrors, and final touches. These curtains were the star of the show. They were the inspiration for this room makeover, so I don't blame them for stealing the show. Ironic choice of word here, since my mom literally stole my first set when she came to visit from Brazil. Yes, she took it in the plane with her. Next up, the mirrors. I like to add mirrors because not only do they serve as a decoration piece, but also they make the room feel bigger and brighter because it bounces natural light. And if you're not using cloths to hang your wall decor, you need to rethink your life choices because they are truly game changer if you're renting or if you just constantly change your mind like your friend here. I could not do a guest bedroom makeover without restocking the mini fridge. If you know that I love a mini fridge restock. I feel like those small details is what makes the experience feel hotel-like. It makes the guests feel pampered and more at home. So I always try to think if I was visiting someone, what would make my experience more comfortable and, I don't know, make me feel more at home. So I try to incorporate those things into my own guest bedroom. For the final touches now, I need a rug to anchor the room and bring in more texture, maybe pattern. So I had two options, which we ended up choosing option number 2 because it would bring in more contrast and some pattern. And also, I think option number 1 would be a little harder to keep clean. Now the moment that we've been all waiting for. I'm so excited. This turned out so much better than I could ever imagine. The room that once had yellow walls and then had a balloon of a bed for 5 years is now finally the guest bedroom of my dreams. This room turned out so much better than what I envisioned. Everything came together so well, from the paint color to the cozy little details, the little special touches here and there, and even the unexpected setbacks. I hope you enjoyed this makeover as much as I did and that you could get some inspiration from it. If you like this transformation, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what your favorite part was. In the meantime, I'll be here testing out this new room for research purposes, of course.